Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, last day of the month, February the 29th, 2024, and I've already solved three puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left, the Jigsaw Sudoku number 8103. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Correction, 16. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Double that number. Alright. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars Jigsaw Sudoku? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Or boxes, because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here double boxes? I see here 1 double box contains the 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about triple boxes then? Do we have here triple boxes? No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then? Contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. No quadra boxes then. My next strategy, correction, we have here quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3 and the 4. Yeah, this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Okay, only 1 quadra box. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do you have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do you have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And we have another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Okay. Do we have more? Let me check. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. The question is why you need to recognize those shapes. By the way, maximum 6, we have not all the shapes, but maximum 6. In this puzzle we have only 3. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this dual box should be here. And 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Then this box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is also connected with that box. Should be so 4 and the 5. Okay. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 here. That means that this box can be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here then. Okay, these two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. So around the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there, is connected with that box, should be so 1. Now we have 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area from us, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Okay, these are 3 boxes. So around the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those. Okay. And now, these 2 boxes around the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area from numbers 4. And the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. And now. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here or there, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 2, but also that box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. And this one is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and 5, we have 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes in there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5, 1 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area. Should be there. Then, let me see. Well, I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 3. Well, this box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Then I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, it's in the same area. Can be a 4, we have a double 4 there, can be 5, we have a double 5 there, yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left here for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then, well, these 3 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Think. Well. Now I'm stuck. How about here? Need a 4 here. 4, need a 5 here. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes in there. Mark those 2 boxes, it'll be the 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, so 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 5 here. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes in there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for number 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. I think, well, don't think too long. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2. That means that this box can be 2 and more. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution places 2 there. The only place left for the 2 supposed to be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. Okay. So need a 1, need a 3. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4 is connected with that box, should be also 4. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Well, this box can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So 1 is left in this quadrat box. Should be a 1. And the final 2 numbers, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. It's a 0 stars. Because I'm faster than 14 and 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we have a speed test. First Friday of the month. Every first Friday of the month I will do a speed test. So see you tomorrow, and have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.